Hello boys and girls, this is Mrs. Brown again. Today for our skills lesson we are going to be able to read words with that sound with the letter O. So that letter O makes that sound. Those are the kind of words that we're going to be reading today. The words with the O that make the sound. Okay, we're also going to be looking at our brand new little reader today. So first, let's go ahead and start off with our vowel code flip book, which I don't have the book right now, so we'll just look at our page here. That O can make the sound. For example, the word sun, you hear that sound with that O, sun, okay? Next, we are going to look at our word sort, which is in your activity book, your workbook, which I know you don't have with you. That's okay. You can go ahead and write the answers down on a sheet of paper if you cannot print this out. So let's go ahead and read the directions first. We are going to sort the words by spelling. Write the words with the sound spelled U under bug. Write the words with the sound spelled O under other. So let's go ahead and read through the words in the box first. We have rush, month, truck, trust, ugly, unkind, bunch, mother, money, sun, until, and front. So the first one was already done for us. The first word was rush. Rush. The letter that makes the sound is U. So it is going to go under the U column. U as in bug. Spelled U as in bug. Okay? Let's go on to the next word. Month. That O makes the sound. So which column do you think that word is going to go under? It is going to go under the spelled O as in other column. Okay? So any of the words that have the U and make the sound are going to go under this U column. And any of the words with O that make the sound are going to go under the O column. Okay? Once you are finished with that, you are going to go on to the next page. So that was page 3. This is a fill in the blank page, page 5. Okay, let's go ahead and read the directions first. Write the best word from the box to complete each sentence. Okay, you can go ahead and pause this video if you'd like and complete that first page. And then you can play the video again and we'll go on to this next page. Okay, page 5. Let's read the directions. Write the best word from the box to complete each sentence. Let's go ahead and read through the words in the box. Mother, dozen, cover, trumpet, month, grumpy, money, mummy, wonder, thunder. So let's do number 1 together. I'm going to go ahead and read that sentence. We heard the blank before we saw the lightning. I'm going to go back up to my box and look at my words and see which best fits in there. What do you think? I think thunder. Let me plug that in and see if it makes sense. We heard the thunder before we saw the lightning. Great, it makes sense. So I'm going to cross that word thunder off because I already used it. And I'm going to go on to the next one. Okay, you are going to complete the rest of this page. And again, go ahead and pause this video if you'd like before we go on to the next thing. Okay, our next thing is going to be looking at, that's right, our new little reader. Our new little reader is called Sir Gus. And what do you think our new little reader is going to be about? That's right, it's going to be about Sir Gus, a story of a knight. A knight is a type of soldier who lived a long time ago during a time called the Middle Ages. Okay, we're going to turn to, I believe it's page 3. Let's see. Yeah, page 3. This is Sir Gus in his stuff. Okay, this illustration shows all of the weapons that Sir Gus needed to use to defend himself against his enemies. Okay, Middle Ages are also called medieval times, when knights, kings, and queens all lived. Okay, I'm going to flip back to the cover and I'm going to go over some of the vocabulary words that you are going to read. And you can close your eyes if you'd like to envision the vocabulary word. First word is well known. That means fully or widely known. So for example, the well-known artist makes beautiful paintings. So well-known means that this artist knew a lot of people. A lot of people knew the artist, Okay, fearless is the next word. That means without fear, brave. So the knight was fearless, even in dangerous situations. Odd is the next word. That means strange. So for example, the kitchen had an odd smell while my brother was cooking lunch. Next word is faint. That is when a person passes out, falling to the ground and appearing to be asleep. For example, if you play in the hot sun with no water, you may faint while playing soccer. Next word is absent-minded. That means forgetful. Since I was so tired, I was absent-minded and didn't bring my homework to school. A saying that you are going to read is, served him well. Sir Gus always did the best he could for King Alfred. So for example, the king told me that Sir Gus always served him well. Okay, let's go over some of the words that you are going to read in your read aloud, in your little reader. Let's see, bear with me while I find it. Here it is. Ooh, some of these might be tricky. Okay, our first column has KN. KN can make the N sound, which is N. Let's go over some of these words. Night is the first word. Okay, knife is the second word. KN makes the N sound. Known and knee. Let's go on to the next column. Oh, it has the O. In what sound? The sound. The first word is of. Second word is from. We hear that O making the sound. Next column. EA. That EA makes the E sound, that long E sound. Okay, let's go ahead and read these words. See, feasts, peaceful, and fierce. Okay, very good. All right, your assignment is going to be to read the first chapter. Remember, use your table of contents to find the first chapter. Okay, chapter 1, the beginning. starting on page 6. Once you're finished with that chapter, I would like for you to go into your activity book and answer the questions on page 9 and 10. Okay, remember to write in complete sentences, use your finger spaces, and correct punctuation. When you're finished, have somebody take a picture of it and upload it onto Dojo to your classroom teacher. Okay, that's it for lesson 2.